Elmo. And who's that? Big Bird. Is sitting on his chair, yeah. Who's that? What? Who's that? That's Elmo. You know Elmo. And who's that? Snowman. Who's that? Cookie Monster.
He's making a mask, yes.
And then there's the Count.
Yeah.
And
What does the count say, Lily? What does the count say? Ah, ah, ah.
oh yeah.
What is it? It is a mess.
I'm obsessed with that cookie mess. Happy Bats. They're my favorite for sure.
Again.
Grover. Yeah, no Grover. They don't talk about Grover anymore.
They do.
Grover's the shit. Yeah.
He's on the show.
This one. Who's that? Cookie. Cookie Monster. Did she know Bert and Ernie?
Yep.
Who are these guys? Who are
Those
they?
guys.
1, 2, 1, 2.
It's like, do the book right. One cookie for Cookie is always such fun. She must know it, right? Like she knows it. What?
Two special friends hope they hit a home run. 3 special friends sit looking at their books while 4 colorful jackets hang onto hooks.
It's like, we're reading. Don't interrupt, Mommy.
Seriously.
What's she concerned about?
She said, "Oh, it's the book too."
Are you getting down now? Is that what's happening? Or are you just
All
going to stand up
right.
and walk on the table?
No, we don't get on the table. I don't want to read you the book. No. Oh, you can have a hug. Come here.